What's up, everyone? Today we are replacing the thermostat. If you order this part code right here, it comes with the gasket, so you don't have to order that separately. Just a note. But it's been sticking, and it's gonna be a no drain radiator thermostat replacement. So there's gonna be a little bit of a mess once you remove the thermostat housing and that thermostat. There's gonna be quite a bit of stuff coming out. So it's a good idea to have some cardboard and some drain pans underneath to hopefully catch whatever comes out. Next, you wanna remove the intake. All right, now the intake's removed, we need to disconnect this right here on the connector and then unbolt these, and also take off this clamp. This clamp may be different because it's a T-clamp. But the other bolt is down here. You can screw this one and this other green one right there. They're both 10 millimeter. Just push this up and out the way and keep whatever you got left in there. And so that wasn't a lot because the thermostat is over there blocking it. Probably closed shut. So be prepared for more to come out. All right, now that we have the two bolts out, we just need to separate this and be prepared for some more fluid. It's not too grimy in there. Next, we're gonna pop out this thermostat. Just wiggle it out there, and here comes all the rest of your fluid from the block. And just like that, all of it's done. Time for a new one. Also want it oriented to where these little tabs are underneath these. Next, we're just gonna clean up the area and install our new thermostat and gasket. All right. It's kind of tricky replacing this thing because it's sideways, so whenever you put it in, you have to put the housing on, pinch the housing on top of it in order for it to stay in place. So first you just stick this in there and then you put the housing on top and just thread some bolts in. Tighten the bolts down, you can stick your finger inside of here and lift up or down on the thermostat in order to keep it seated while you hand tighten these. And then once you got it pretty much hand tightened, you can just go ahead and crank them down. Now we have these torqued back on, not too crazy, and we need to plug in this connector. And then now we have the bolts all tightened and the connector back on. We can now put this lower radiator hose back into place and tighten down this T connector. After that, you just need to refill your radiator and let it burp in order to get the bubbles out of the system, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.